Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So we are at CVS. I'm starting with the hair care deal, and I am so sorry I am a few days late with the video. Now I have a job that I have to attend to, so I do these on my off time. So hang tight and let us see how many deals we can pick up. I can't remember if I printed all of my CRTs from last week, so we'll see. We'll make it work, okay? So hang tight and let's jump into the deals. Okay guys, so the first deal I'm starting with is the Garnier Whole Blends. It is 2 for $7, and when you buy 2 you get $1 back. I'm going to be using this $3 off of 2. I printed from coupons.com. There's also a $3 digital that's going to glitch and come off. That's $6, and then I'll get $1 back, making them completely free. And I love this for my hair. It's so good. Anyway, guys, I have been working so hard, so I am now making it to CVS, and I apologize. So let's see what other deals we can get. Okay, guys, so the next deal I'm doing is the spend 20, get $5 back. I'm picking up 4 of the Tide Pods, and they are $5.49 each. So for 4 of these products, it's going to be $21.96. I'm going to be using 4 of these $3 coupons. That's going to take $12 off. I'll pay $9.96. I'll get $5 back, making all 4 products $4.96. Now, you have to pick up the purple one. I'm going to show you the pack at the end of the video. It's at the front. So I don't know if this one works, but I'll check it and I'll let you know at the end if the coupon works on this one. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you this Eucerin deal, but I am not going to do it. If you have a 3 off of 15 baby CRT, you can pick up 1 of the Aquaphor ointment at $10.49 and 1 of the baby wash and shampoo at $9.79. So for those 2 products, it's going to be $20.28. I have a 3 off of 15 baby CRT, and each one of these products have a $2 digital coupon. That's going to take $7 off, and you'll pay $13.28, but you're going to get $10 back because you've spent $20, making both of them just $3.28. I do not need these products, so I'm going to skip on this deal. But if you have those CRTs, that's a great deal you can do. Okay guys, so this is the Huggies deal, 2 for $22. Buy 2, get $5 back. I'm picking up 1 of the Snugglers, 1 of the size 1 and 1 of the size 2. I'm picking up these sizes because there's an Ibotta rebate, so I'm picking up these 2 right here. So for that, it's going to be $22. I have 2 $2.50 off digital coupons, and I have a 3 off of 2 CRT. So that's going to take $8 off. I'm going to pay $14, and I'll get $5 back, making the final cost $9. Now, I'm going to get $3 back, $1.50 for each pack on Ibotta, and $1 on Fetch, which is going to bring it down to $5. Now, there is a coupons.com rebate for $2.50. I'm not sure if that's going to come off, if it's going to give me back, because I've used coupons on these 2. So we'll see if it works. If not, it's going to be $5 for 2, and if I get that rebate back, it's going to be $2.50 for 2, which is $1.25 each. So the speaker is literally right above me, and it's so loud, so I'm gonna move on to the next deal. Okay guys, so the next deal I'm doing is on the Shake or Skintimate. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. Spend 15, get $5 back. So this is my setup right here. Now, I have 6 products. I have 3 of the men's Shake Extreme, and I have 3 of the women's Skintimate. They are all $9.29. Half off is going to be $4.64. So I'm going to pay for 3, and the other 3 is going to be half off. So everything comes to $41.79. I have a whole lot of CRTs. That's why I'm picking up so many. So I have 2, I'm going to show you right here. I have 2 5 off of 20 CRTs, and for the men's razors, I have a 4 off of 3 and a 5 off of 3. For the women, I have a 4 off of 2. I'm also going to use 5 of these $4 coupons for each one. I'm only using 5 because it brings it down to like $1 and something negative, which CVS does not give overage. So one of the CRTs are going to adjust down and everything is going to be free, and I'll get $5 back, making it all free and a $5 moneymaker. So I'm going to go to the register and pay for this one by itself, and then I'll do it on my card. Okay guys, so I am picking up one of the oil-free acne wash from Neutrogena. It's $9.99, and I have a few CRTs. So I have a $4 off of any Neutrogena, $2.50 off of Neutrogena Acne, and a $2.50 off of 10. So that's gonna take $9 off. There we go. That's gonna take $9 off, leaving this to be just 99 cents. So I'm picking this up on both of my cards because I have those CRTs on my 2 cards. Okay guys, so I am doing the Eucerin spend 20 get $10 back. I'm picking up one of the daily hydration at $11.49 and one of the skin calming at $9.49. So for these 2 products, it's going to be $20.98. I have a 5 off of 20 lotion CRT and a $2 digital coupon. I'm also going to be using this $2 coupon I printed from coupons.com. That's going to take $2 off. So I'll be left to pay $11.98, and I'll get $10 back, making them just $1.98 for 2, or 99 cents for each one. Now my other store, they're $9.99. I just don't feel like driving over there to save $1, so we're going to pick up these 2. Okay guys, so I am trying to find the Boost Max, but as you can see, my store is out. I'm probably gonna go to the other store, but I have $9 in CRTs for the Boost Max, so I'm gonna pick up one of those. I'm not sure, I think it's $10 or $12. So I'm gonna go to the, well, I might go to the other store probably after the video, but I'm gonna check the other store and see if they have the Max. Okay guys, so this is my breakdown for the Dove deal. The Dove, they are kept behind the cash register, so I was not able to record in store. So I picked up 4. They're $9.79 at my store, and it's 20% off this week, which brings it down to $7.83. So 4 at $7.83, that's $31.32. I used 2 of the buy one, get one free coupons. That's taking off $7.99, and they are expired. I don't have any more to show you. I had a $4.50 off of 18 Dove CRT, which brought it down to $10.84, and I got $10 back, making all 4 just 84 cents. And this is that receipt right here. I used my Care Pass. I had a $4.50 off of 18, which brought it down to 84 cents. And I did get that $10 extra buck back right here for spending 30. All right, so I think that is my last deal. No, the Cetaphil. Let me break down the Cetaphil for you. Okay, guys, so the Neutrogena, the oil-free acne wash I mentioned in the video, this is that receipt. Everything came off, and it came down to 99 cents. So that was 99 cents. For the Tide, let me grab that receipt. So for the Tide, I mentioned everything in the video, and this is the purple pack that works with the $3 coupon. So this is the receipt for that. I broke it up because it was a new cashier and I didn't want to have any problems. So this is that receipt, and I did get that $5 extra bucks back. So that came down to $4.96 for all 4 packs after the extra buck. Okay guys, so on my Schick deal, this is the receipt for that. Everything came off as expected. So I used the 5 $4 coupons, the 2 5 off of 20 shave, the 5 off of 3 Schick Extreme, the 4 off of 2 Skintimate, and the 4 off of 3 Schick Extreme. That adjusted down to $2.93, leaving me to pay 6 cents. I was hoping it went to 0, but that's okay. It left me to pay 6 cents. And then I got back the $5 extra back, making them completely free and a $5 moneymaker. And I had the same CRTs on both of my accounts, so I did that deal twice. Okay, guys, so for my other card, I did the Huggies, the Neutrogena. I think I purchased 2 Twix on this one and the whole blends. So this is that receipt. Everything came off but my 3 off of 2 for the Huggies. But I paid and my store manager printed me a $3 extra buck. So everything came off but that. So this is that. And I got back the $5 for the Huggies. And I got back $1 for the whole blends. I also got back $3 on Ibotta for the Huggies, and I had a $1 for Fetch, so I got that back as well. I did not get the money from coupons.com. Okay, guys, so this is the receipt for my other card. This one came down to 0. Now, I did this one first in hopes of the other one being 0 as well, but the other one came to 6 cents, but that's okay. So this is 0, and then I did get back that $5 extra buck. Okay, guys, so I wanted to hop on here and let you know the Eucerin deal. I did it twice, and I only got $10 because the advanced repair cream is not included, but my manager printed me a $10 extra buck anyway. So just letting you guys know. And this is that receipt. It came to 98 cents. Everything came off, and I got back the 10 for the Eucerin and $1 for the Garnier. That's on my second card. Okay, so on my other card, this is that receipt. I picked up 2 bags of Kit Kat. It's buy one, get one for $1. So I picked up 2 of the Kit Kat, and obviously my kids and my husband ate 1 entire bag already, and this is what's left of the other bag. So it came down to 78 cents. I used my free snack CRT and $2 for the Eucerin and a $2 digital, my 5 off of 20. Now I paid $11.19 and 78 cents. So my $10 extra buck that I did not get back, it did not print. So nothing printed, but my manager force printed me an extra buck, which brought this down to $1.78. So I think that is everything. Okay, guys, so on one of my cards, this is the Cetaphil deal I did. I picked up this Healthy Radiance here in the box, and that was $24.49. And I picked up one of the Daily Advanced Lotion, and that's $17.49 right here. So this is the receipt. Now, I'll show you the coupon in a second. So my store cashier typed in $17.49, which I should have told her to check in 24, but that's okay. It still worked out. So $17.49. I had a 5 off of Cetaphil Healthy Radiance CRT. I had a 5 off of 2 CRT. I had a $4 CRT, and I had a 3 off of 2 CRT, which brought everything down to 49 cents. So those 2 products were 49 cents. I do not think there's an Ibotta rebate, but if one comes up, hopefully I will get some money back for that, making it a money maker. So I'll grab my other receipt and let me show you that coupon really quick. So this is the coupon, and the coupon has no value. So whatever you enter, it's what it's going to take off at CVS, okay? Okay, so this is my other receipt. I picked up this one, this Healthy Radiance, and this was $14 and change. And I picked up the other 3 products, and this is that receipt. So $15.99, $14.79, $14.49, and $14.49. So I had her enter $15.99 and $14.49. Just to see if it will take off the highest amount, which it did. And I did this transaction first. So we figured out whatever you enter is what the coupon is going to take off. So everything came off. My 5 off of 2, my 4 off Cetaphil. I had a $2 Cetaphil. And what did not come off was my $5 for the Healthy Radiance, because everything else came off of the Healthy Radiance that CRT did not attach. So it came to $6.39 instead of $1.39, but there's nothing back. And my manager printed me a $5, so I just paid that $6, and they printed me a $5 extra buck. Okay, focus. There we go. Well, Yeah, so they printed me a $5 extra buck because I paid $6 instead of $5. So this is it. This is everything I picked up. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.